Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I show you how to create a GPO to pin folder shortcut in the Start menu. On each client computer or specific organizational unit, a file or folder shortcut can be added to the Start menu, so that users can access it easily. Shortcuts to frequently used folders can be pinned so that they can be accessed without searching or navigating the entire path each time, and they will do this with help of group policy objects. And to create this shortcut on the client's computer, first, create and share folder for which you want to create a shortcut. Create a new folder in the location you want, and he gave him a proper name. Then, right-click on the folder, and from the menu, click Properties. After that, share the folder and you can give it permissions now, or you may leave it until completion of creating shortcut for the client. Click the Sharing tab. Then click on Share button, and share. And after finishing, click the Done button. Thus, the folder has been shared, and we may need to add some permissions to it, but later. And now, we will take the second step, which is to create a GPO to pin shortcut to this folder. Now, open Server Manager, and click Tools menu. And from the menu, click on Group Policy Management. After opening Group Policy Management, select the domain that you will work on, and to create a new policy, right-click on the Group Policy Objects, and from the menu, click New. In the New GPO dialog box, enter the group policy name in the required field, and choose an appropriate name for the policy, and click OK. Next step, right-click on the newly created group policy, and click on the Edit option. And after opening Group Policy Management Editor window, move to the left, and expand User Configuration. Under User Configurations, expand Preferences, then Windows Settings, and then click Shortcuts. And right-click on the other side, and click New, then Shortcut. In the General tab of New Shortcut Properties dialog box, I will enter the appropriate details in the required fields. First, in Action, leave it as Update so that shortcut is constantly updated. And in the Name field, type the name of the shortcut. This is the name that will display the shortcut. And in front of the target type, select File System Object. And this type is used for files, folder, share, drive or computer. Then the location. Here, specify the location for displaying the shortcut on the client's computers. There are many options, but I will select the Start menu. After that, specify which is the target path. Here the path must be written correctly. To find out the correct path, go to the properties of the folder that we created and shared, and you will find the path. Copy and paste it into the target path field. You will not need to enter more details in the fields. Click Apply and then OK. The next step is to link this policy with the organizational unit you want, and I'm going to link it to the test unit. Right-click the organizational unit, and select Link an existing GPO. Then select the policy that was created, and click the OK button. Thus, the policy was applied to this unit. Then I will go to the client's computer. And this client works with a Windows 10 operating system. You can make a restart of the computer, or write the command who updates the policy group. Open Command Prompt, and type the command that appears in front of you on the screen. And after updating group policy, click on the Start menu. A shortcut to the folder has already been made on the Start menu, with the same name that was written. Click on the folder. The folder is not accessible. Permissions must be added to the folder. Open Windows Server, and go to the File Properties. Click the Security tab, and click the Edit button, and add the group called Test, and you can also add a specific user to open this folder. After completion, go to the client's computers again, and open the Start menu, and click on the folder shortcut. It works now. after adding the permissions to the user. This method is a type of file sharing that will make it easier for the administrator to manage network easily. I hope the video is useful to you, and thank you for watching. And I also hope to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.